Hello, students. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how to take a picture with your Chromebook. Now, with your Chromebook, you have a built-in camera. Sometimes the camera icon shows up at the bottom of your screen. But if you don't see it, you have to look for it in the launcher. The launcher typically is at the bottom of your screen, and it's usually a white dot or a gray dot or a black dot, depending on what color scheme you've chosen for your Chromebook. In my case, I used a dark theme. I'm going to click on it. And when I do that, it's going to come up with a launcher. And in that launcher, I can then type in what I'm looking for. In this case, the camera. I would type in the word camera. And then it's going to give me my camera icon. In this case, the camera icon is blue. It has a little camera on it. And when I click on that, it's going to actually activate my camera. When it activates my camera, I can then take a picture of what I want. And I can move my camera around if I need to. So if I need to move the Chromebook a little bit, I can to get a specific picture or item that my instructor wants me to have. And when I'm ready to take a picture, all I have to do is click on the Take Photo option. It's a circle tool towards the right side of your screen. I simply touch that. It's going to do a little flash on there. And now that picture shows up under the My Files option on my Chromebook. In the next video, I'm going to show you how do I take that picture and add it directly to my slideshow. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take those images that you took with your Chromebook and add them to a Google Slides. So I'm in my Google Slides and I want to insert that picture that I just took on my Chromebook. I click on Insert and I click on Image. I'm going to click on the first option that says Upload from the computer. And it's going to give me some options where I can find this particular picture. Now, in this case, it's going to be under the camera option. I'm going to click on the camera. And it's going to give me the pictures that I have that I've taken of my iPod. So I can simply select the picture I want and I click on Open. And then from there, I can then tweak my images if I want. I can bring it up and down or move it around on my slideshow if I choose to do so. And it's the same process if you choose to do that with a Google Docs. So if I chose to do that with a Google Docs, let me go into my Google Docs here. And if I click on my Google Docs, I'm going to go into my document. And in this case, I want to, again, grab that image. I click on Insert. And I click on Image. And I click on Upload from Computer. Again, I select the image I want and I click on Open. And then that image is now on my Google Doc and I can add it, edit it, or do what I need to do for my instructor. All right, students. Now I want to show you one more trick that you can do if you want to insert a picture into a Google Slide or a Google Docs, a picture that you've taken with your Chromebook. So I'm going to actually go back to that camera icon to find it. So I'm going to click on the camera. And when I do that, it wants to take a picture of the environment I'm in. In this case, I actually want to go to the actual pictures that I've taken. And they're going to show up at the bottom where it says go to gallery. They'll have a little icon or image of the last picture you took. So if you click on that, it'll actually take you to the last picture that you took on there. So let's say I just took this picture and now I want to actually just directly just add it to my Google Slide or to my Google Docs. There's a couple of options that I have here. I can click on this option where it says Share, and I can click on Copy. When I copy it, that means the computer is waiting for me to tell it where I want to paste it. So typically when you copy something, you're pasting it to another location. So in this case, I want to click on copy. So now the computer is waiting for me to tell it where I want it to go. And in this case, I want to put it in a Google Doc or a Google slide. And those are typically at the bottom of your screen as an icon, or you can again check on the launcher to find it. In this case, I want to go to my Google Docs. So I'm just going to click on my Google Docs. And I'm going to go into my document that I want to create this with. Now, in this case, I've copied the picture and I want to insert it right into my Google Doc. I can simply click up here where it says edit, and I can click on paste. Or if you want to, you can use the shortcut of touching your control button and your V button at the same time, and it will paste it right into your document. So in this case, I just put in the image that I took. It's a little quicker than having to go into insert, and I just did copy and I just did paste.